Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to create group text message on OPPO A6 Pro. So first up, open up your messages, click on the start chat button right here, create group, and choose people you want to add to the group. So for example this four, you can add a group name, but that's optional. Click done and now the group is ready, but I can't text messages because I don't have a SIM card installed. Here you can add more people if you need, and here you can check group details, search messages, for example, archive, delete something, report spam, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.